We find ourselves in a bewildering world. We want to make sense of what we see around us and to ask, what is the nature of the universe? What is our place in it, and where did it and we come from? Why is it the way it is? Such thoughts are not unique to you or me, but they've also occupied the minds of some of the greatest scientists and thinkers in human history. One such mind was that of Professor Stephen Hawking, the renowned British physicist. Hawking spent his life investigating the universe's mysteries and delivered some groundbreaking theories during his career. In his iconic book, A Brief History of Time, he brings these profound ideas to a general audience. So, what are some of the key insights from Hawking's masterful exploration of the universe? Number 1. Our universe has a beginning and might have an end. Hawking paints a vivid picture of a universe that originated from a singularity, an extraordinarily dense point of energy, which we commonly refer to as the Big Bang. In the throes of this violent birth, space and time as we know it were created, and the universe began its expansion. This event is not merely a point in time, but the beginning of time itself. But what of the universe's end? Hawking presents two main possibilities. In one scenario, the gravitational pull of all the matter in the universe slows the expansion and eventually reverses it, leading to a big crunch. In this case, the universe would collapse back onto itself. In the other scenario, the universe continues to expand forever, eventually leaving us with a cold, dark, and diluted cosmos. Number 2. Black holes are not completely black. Hawking challenged the prevailing notion about black holes, those mysterious cosmic entities from which nothing, not even light, was thought to escape. He proposed a groundbreaking idea. Due to the strange rules of quantum physics, black holes can emit particles. This process, now known as Hawking radiation, means that black holes are not completely black and can, over an incredibly long timescale, evaporate and disappear. Number 3. Time could have multidimensions. Hawking invites us to reconsider our perception of time. We are accustomed to thinking about time as linear, a constant march forward from the past, through the present, and into the future. However, Hawking's exploration of quantum physics and the early universe suggests that time might be multidimensional and more closely aligned with space than we typically consider. Number 4. Unified theory, the holy grail of physics. Throughout A Brief History of Time, Hawking emphasizes the quest for a unified theory, a single theory that can reconcile general relativity with quantum theory. A successful theory of everything would provide a seamless explanation of the entire physical world, from the tiny particles in an atom to the vast clusters of galaxies. However, achieving this remains one of the most significant unsolved problems in theoretical physics. Number 5. God and science. Hawking is not just concerned with physical phenomena, he also delves into metaphysics. He explores the relationship between the divine and the scientific, suggesting that the laws of physics offer a complete explanation for the universe's existence and obviate the need for a divine creator. It's a fascinating insight into Hawking's philosophy and an excellent example of the intersection between science and religion. Number 6. Uncertainty is inherent in quantum physics. Hawking explains one of the most famous principles in quantum physics, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. This principle states that it's impossible to simultaneously know both the precise position and velocity of a particle. In other words, the more precisely we measure one quantity, the less precisely we can know the other. This inherent uncertainty forms the backbone of quantum theory and stands in stark contrast to the deterministic laws of classical physics. These insights from A Brief History of Time bring us face to face with ideas that challenge our common sense and intuition. They force us to step out of our everyday experiences and consider the universe from a new perspective. It's a journey that takes us from the beginning of time to the edge of black holes and the frontier of scientific understanding. Here are some notable quotes from the book. 1. The universe doesn't allow perfection. 2. Even if there is only one possible unified theory, it is just a set of rules and equations. What is it that breathes fire into the equations and makes a universe for them to describe? 3. I have noticed even people who claim everything is predestined, and that we can do nothing to change it, look before they cross the road. 4. We are just an advanced breed of monkeys on a minor planet of a very average star. But we can understand the universe. That makes us something very special. 5. If we find the answer to that, it would be the ultimate triumph of human reason, for then we would know the mind of God. 6. The greatest enemy of knowledge is not ignorance, it is the illusion of knowledge. These quotes demonstrate Hawking's unique ability to distill complex ideas into digestible thoughts, expressing profound concepts in a way that resonates with readers of all backgrounds. So next time you gaze up at the stars, remember the profound insights offered by Hawking. Remember the infancy of the universe in the Big Bang, the mystery of black holes, the perplexing dimensions of time, and the tantalizing search for a unified theory. You'll find that the cosmos is even more wondrous when viewed through the lens of a theoretical physicist.